Please guys, behave. Please respect. Hello mom, hello to Ong Lam. Hi. Become close that. I can't answer because I'm going to live for now. Where's my donut? And it's one other viewer. Who's, you know, what's Yamamek? Hey, open a little time. Show your dog. I'm half with months. Oh, what happened to the comment? Kasi Elcho Langwood. Lempor Nagala Northeast Asia. Hi, hello to you. Into Jonka 28. Other I understand what is your mean on your message because only I understand English and Tagalog and Bisaya. Hello everyone, can you post this? Muhammad Fadil, hi, thank you for the roses. Thank you for the roses. What's this? Hi to my 91 viewers. Please share my live, guys. I am from Philippines. We're not wearing, but I'm wearing is my strap on my pocket. That's on. Hi, baby. Hello. Benjamin, are you still there? Okay, you're welcome. On Sholam. Mamita Grande, hi. Hi to Ben Maherang and to Junkie and to Agus. Settle na. Wala na pong nakakita tayo na lang. I'm here watching. Marami pa sila. Thank you, Benjamin. Thank you very much. I need somebody with a romantic. Hey, you always can. Which country? Philippines. Size? Why you send me a bra? Because the size is 40 or 40. Ganda naman. Salamat naman at napuri mo ang aking kagandahan. Kung totoo man yan. Hi, Libis Bishera. Hello. I need to endorse the rat. Tanti. Hi. Hi. Tonight, guys, I'm going to live 30 minutes. Big mouth, mom. What happened to my views? Gusto kita, di ka masulit. Yes, I'm very entertain to my viewers. Ano na nangyari? Share live ba? Share live. Share, like to share. Hindi ako masungit pa. You are good to me. Good comment. No, I can't open my dress. Okay? Should I? Ouch. I cannot bingko ang dress. Neck hack. What do you mean by neck hack? I don't understand neck hack. Hello to my 44 na lang viewers. Good night from Indonesia. Thank you. Dedi Wihaya is